you want to learn English, subscribe to ESL classes.
Very aggressive, overconfident, forceful, overconfident, forceful. Very caring, compassionate, kind. Very amazed, astounded, flabbergasted. Very beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Very boring, tedious, mind numbing. Very bright, dazzling, radiant. Very angry, fuming livid. Very careful, meticulous, fastidious. Very accurate, flawless, perfect. Very basic, rudimentary, primary.